In less than 2 hours, the U.S. Supreme Court will begin its Thursday session, and the clock is really ticking down now for the justices to make a ruling on SB 1070. ABC 15's Brian McElhatton is live near the state capitol this morning with what we might expect today and how the community is reacting already. Brian, good morning. 2 years ago, when this bill passed, there were massive protests right where you were standing.
That's right, Connie, and I'll show you video from that day in just a few minutes. But first, let me show you this. So demonstrators here having a vigil in anticipation of this SB 1070 vote by the Supreme Court. Many of them have been here since 5 o'clock yesterday. In fact, they've got chairs here, a guitar, they've got some pastries and some coffee. They're in it for the long haul, waiting for this decision. But now let me show you video of what it looked like 2 years ago as opponents of SB 1070 marched in protest against the bill that would require police officers to question the immigration status of suspected undocumented immigrants. Now fast forward to today, where Spanish language TV channels, radio stations and websites will broadcast a special called Hoy Somos Arizona. It's a production aimed at informing the immigrant community of the intricacies of SB 1070 as well as their rights should they be questioned or detained. And we just talked with one of the demonstrators here. Listen to what she had to say about the political process.
It's very important right now, especially with SB 1070, to be able to get registered and be able to change that political system here in Arizona.
It's important to mention, Connie, these folks aren't here just to demonstrate or to hold a vigil. They're trying to get people signed up, registered to vote. They're trying to inform them about the issues, hoping to get more people involved in the political process in general, Connie. So that's an interesting, we're no longer really marching and protesting as much. They're trying to get people involved and engaged. So we're going to stay here and talk with more with these people coming up soon, and we'll let you know about that Supreme Court vote. Session scheduled to get started here in about an hour and a half.
All right, thanks, Brian, from the location there. Now that Supreme Court decision could come down today. It could also come down next week, Monday or Thursday. Really only two other possible days here that they could have that decision before the end of their term. But they're also debating another controversial law, and that's the Affordable Care Act, commonly referred to as Obamacare. They have to determine whether it's constitutional to require you to have mandatory health insurance. So two big issues still before the Supreme Court, and we'll watch them both for you.